6 sweet peppers. 1 large onion sliced with peppers chopped. 1 stick of butter. Black pepper. Add salt to taste. 1 teaspoon minced garlic. 8 medium sliced potatoes. Add butter and oil. Add veggies. Heat up to 325. Add potatoes. Cover and let cook.
So your potatoes should look about like this. You don't want to flip them too much. You want to let them cook a little bit so they can crisp up a little bit. And then if you flip them too much, what'll happen is they'll get mushy. So you definitely don't want to mush them, flip them too many times. Let them cook, take its time, and then you can flip them as you start to see them brown.
BTW, I'm using a 0.14-inch pan.